To order this product, please check the first comment. Our website link is there. Click the link to place your order.
Viva 120-watt power bank on AliExpress, now at a special limited-time offer price. Huge 200,000 milliamp-hour battery, now available at only 262.01 CZK on AliExpress. Fast 120-watt charging power. Grab this deal today before the offer ends. Smart LED display and metal body, now discounted for global buyers. Charge iPhone or Android fast, now just 262.01 CZK on AliExpress. This powerful battery pack now costs around 1,250 BDT only. Premium metal shell design, special offer available right now. Multiple device support with fast output, limited time discount. High capacity 200,000 milliamp-hour power bank at a reduced price today. Originally priced higher, now 262.01 CZK on AliExpress. Deal. Order now from AliExpress and secure this exclusive.
For more new and exciting updates about amazing AliExpress deals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Turn on the bell icon.
This box holds 6 batteries. You can customize the capacity to fit your needs. Check the real-time battery level and voltage easily with its built-in LCD smart digital display. It has dual USB ports, allowing you to charge 2 smartphones at the same time while you are traveling. This case is lightweight and durable. It even includes a bright LED flashlight for any emergency. Get this premium shell for just $5 to $6 on AliExpress. It is cheap and very reliable. Perfect for tech lovers. Use old laptop batteries to create a powerful and eco-friendly charger. Click the link in the first comment to buy from AliExpress. Start your DIY project today, brother.